Hi, lions, tigers, and bears. It's Mrs. A again for Math with Mrs. A. I kind of like the way that sounds. Anyway, I hope you've been doing well, and I have another lesson for you. So today you are going to be reviewing a few of the skills that we have been talking about. And then you're going to use the page that's in your book on your own to see what you've remembered. Okay, so let's review a little bit. First, I want us to look at some vocabulary words that we have talked about in this chapter. So if I said the word adding, think about what you would say adding is. Adding is when you do what with numbers? Put them together. Good. Then what if I said subtracting is when you take something away? Very good. What if I said the sum is what is the sum? The answer that you get when you are adding numbers together. Nice job. So you will have to use this on the page that you do in a little bit. Okay? All right, something else that I would like us to practice on my whiteboard. If I was to write out 2 tens plus 3 tens. Let's take a look at that. 2 tens plus 3 tens. There's a couple different ways you can show this. You could make 2 tens. Okay, 10, 20, and make 3 tens here. 1, 2, 3. You could do that. There's 2 tens, here's 3 tens. And then if we were going to add those together, we would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 of them. And if there are 5 of them, there's really how many cubes? 50. So that 2 tens really looks like 20, right? Plus the 3 tens is really 30. Excellent. We count those together and you get 50. Nice job. Let's go on to the next one. Instead of using any words or any numbers, let's just use our cubes. So if I have let's say I'm going to start with 6 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay? So let's think, what number would that be? So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so that would be 60. Keep that up here. And then how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 65. All right, so if I have 65 here, I want to add 2 more. So if I add 2 more here, what is that going to equal? 65. Are you thinking that you can add on? Think of a number line and you can jump forward. Absolutely. 65, 66, 67. So I would make 67 as my answer. Deal? You still with me? Okay. A few more things to review and then I'll let you go. Let's look at this work mat. I wrote a problem on here for you already. Let's read it together. 42 plus 4. So if you wanted to, you could simply count on using your number line. That would be fine. Or you could add in our columns using our 1s and our 10s. Let's do that. So first, I have to start in which column? 1s or the 10s? Hopefully you're telling me to start in the 1s column. We always start in the 1s column. So let's do that. We say 2 plus 4 equals 6. So let's put the 6 there. Did I make that the right way? Yes? Okay, good. Sometimes I make it upside down, huh? Then let's come over here to the 10s place. 4 plus, there's nothing here. What could you pretend is there? A 0. You're right. So 4 plus 0 would be 4. So bring your 4 down here and let's read our equation. 42 plus 4 equals 46. Nice. You'll do a couple problems like this as well. Then, one of the last things that you'll do on your paper is probably your favorite from this unit, because I know you love the regrouping. So we're going to practice a regrouping problem right now. So let's say I have 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's say I've got 1, 10, and 7 ones. What number does that make? 17, right? So I'm going to make 17 here. Plus, what should we add? How about if we add 6 more? And I know what you're thinking. Wait, we already have 8. They're going to be too squished. But remember in yesterday's lesson, we said that they could be squished for a short period of time because some are going to be jumping over. So let's go ahead and add the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me write that in my equation. 17 plus 6 equals, So you're thinking, what is the first thing I have to do? Well, we need to clear out some of these ones because they are way too squished. So we need to regroup by making 1 10. So let's find 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of these come out to make their 10. There it is. And this 10 jumps over to the other side. So how many do I have in the 10s place? I have 2 in the 10s place. And how many are left in the 1s place? 3. What number is 2 and 3? 23. So you can say 17 plus 6 equals 23. All right, now the last one will be a story problem. So you'll have to read the story and try to decide what they're asking you and see if you can figure out which one is the answer and fill in that circle at the bottom. Okay? This is what your page is going to look like. You've seen pages like this before. It is page 477 and 478. We just reviewed everything that is on this page, so I think you will be very, very successful. Okay? All right, it's riddle time. Where did my riddle go? Hang on, it's coming. Thanks for being patient. What can you hear but not see and not touch, but you control it? Should I say it one more time? What can you hear? But you can't see it and you can't touch it. However, you control it. Your voice. Nice one, huh? Raise your hand if you were guessing voice. I bet there were some people out there. All right, ready? Ba-doom. Make good choices every day. Bye.